Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to open your store in Shopify. So in my case I have opened 3 stores here. So you can easily open store in Shopify. So whenever you sign up, the Shopify store option is available. So in my case, just I am going to create a store inside from my account. So just as you can see here, the create a Shopify store option is available. Just click here, and now after that type the store name here, and next you have to click on create store, and now here you can see your store is being created. So this is the first step to create your store in Shopify. After that, when your store is ready, move to next. So when you open your store, you have to slowly change all the settings here. Just here you can tell us a little thing about yourself, like you can customize all these options according to your need, and after that click on next. So here you can type your city address and everything. In my case I have already added this, and just after that click on next. So in this way you can easily open your store in Shopify